Hey there, guys and girls. Welcome back to another video of Mr. Junior Dev. And as I was referencing in a previous video, um, this video of cryptocurrency market, I was referencing the coin Doge Elon about a month back, exactly 14 November 2021. I said it would rise, and it has risen substantially. Let's have a look here. I've got an article here in front of me. Elon surges 37% as two major exchanges welcome Dogecoin competitor Doge Elon Mars. So that's amazing news, fantastic news. I've invested in Doge Elon and it's risen before and now it's risen even more, and I don't plan on selling. Yeah, I believe that cryptocurrencies is the new financial system, this is going to be part of our financial future. It's replacing the old system, but everyone is entitled to their own opinion. So, everyone thinks differently, which is good. We need individuality. We need everyone's opinion. Separate opinions, different opinions, very, very, very important. We need a competitive environment, a competitive economy worldwide, globally. Yeah, we need to grow as a human civilization. So this is all important. So if we head over to CoinMarketCap, and I've got Doge Elon right in front of me right here. So let me just refresh. At the moment, it's up 1.29%. So it keeps on going up. This is today. So yesterday it rose about 37%. So it's nearly 40% in total that it's risen in about a day or a couple of hours. So as you can see, if you have a look over here, this seems to be the new floor, the new level where it's going to be leveling off. I'm not 100% certain that it will stay at this level. It might go even higher. But as you can see, if we look at the trajectory over here, clearly you can see it's risen quite a bit. I think it has been at this level before, but it never held on to this level floor for so long. So if we go back, let's go back what, a month, 3 months. Let's go back 1 month. If you can see here, 1 month, yeah, it was run about at the same level, but then it dropped substantially, dropped like a rock, and then it just increased. It went back up, and now it's sort of like leveling off again. Look at the 3 month trajectory over here. You can see how it's increased in value. It's leveled off, and you can see it's nearly a similar pattern. Right, so the video that I was talking about or that I'm referencing is my previous video in November on Doge Elon, was in November. So let's head over to my YouTube channel, and then as you can see, here's the video, cryptocurrency market. It's only got 10 views. This 14 November 2021. This is the video that I'm talking about that was about a month old. Yeah, if you invest in Doge Elon, you're gonna just see gains, and you have to hold on to it. This is important. So yeah, as you can see, Doge Elon is gaining in value. It's gained substantially. Yeah, it's doing very, very well, and I believe it's going to surge even further, especially with the backing of billionaires like Elon Musk. I believe it's still going to rise further. Yeah, I'm no financial expert, but I am a software engineer. I am a programmer, so I do know about software and programs and the technology behind it, the blockchain technology behind it. So I'm not saying that Fiat currency is obsolete. Um, I still believe there should be options for everyone because everyone is different. Everyone is in a different mindset. People think differently, and I really like people. I don't want to exclude people. I know some people think in that way, where they want to exclude people. It's like they want to exclude people from society. It's like they want to treat them like animals. I don't like those kind of people. That's not right. We need people. We need families. We need children. Um, but yeah, we should also think about yeah the people that are having children and that want families. They need money to support those children. So it's not like go ahead, have children, but you're going to be in constant poverty and suffering to support those children. It's also not fair. I believe it's not fair. Give everybody deserves a chance. You know. Then end of the day, you find people that are unwilling to participate and no longer want to be productive in society. It's like they don't want to be part of society because they've been excluded to such a point that, at a certain age, they come to realize that, oh, I'm 31 or I'm 40 years old, and I've been excluded from society all my life, basically, because of some rich blokes at the top, or whoever it might be, excluding them out of the system. Um, we need to move forward as humanity, as a civilization. We need to move forward. Um, we deserve better. Um, yeah, we need to evolve. We need to evolve. That's what we need. And I just truly believe that everybody, the fact that everybody wants to be independent, I feel it's great. It's awesome. Female independence is amazing. It's not like what it was back then in the 70s or the 80s, where the male was the dominant figure in the family. This is wrong. Um, I just believe that, I just believe everybody should be entitled to their own opinion, and that's good. And their opinion should be respected, not laughed off at or anything like that. Just respected because there's a little bit of something from everyone that we can bring together um, to make something amazing out of it, to make something great. And yeah, um, I still believe that nobody is better than no one. And it's just your environment. That's all. It's just your environment and it's your state of mind, your mental state that you are in that very moment. And we should not judge people based on their ethnic background or their religious views um, or their sexuality or their sex or their age um, or even the way they think because we don't know we don't know what they've been through and we are not in their shoes, so we have no right to judge. um, so yeah, it solely depends on your environment. So, guys, I hope you like this video. I went a bit off topic. I'm sorry about that. Um, but I will be posting videos in the future on building apps like Tic Tac Toe and the chess app. And I think I've got a project build, sort of like Amazon clone, for a client in January. They're giving me time up until March, but I think maybe in February I'll start, and then I'll post a video on that. I'm going to try my best to keep up. I've got a lot of things going on at the moment as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and this content. Yeah, if there's something you guys don't like about what I've said, it's fine. You can comment in the section down below. As I said, everyone's entitled to their own opinion, and sometimes we are wrong when we don't even know. So that's what I've learned in life, that you can be wrong. You could think you're right, but that's not always the case. So it happens a lot of the times. So we just trying to improve ourselves and to do better. But yeah, if we want to improve ourselves, we mustn't do it at the expense of others. Don't step on others. This is wrong. Respect everybody. People working at McDonald's, I respect them even more than public figures, to be honest with you, because they are under subordination, and they are very. They've dealt with a lot of customers that are usually rude to them throughout the day, and that has an effect on their mental state. So yeah, they're in a very sensitive position. So yeah, I respect them, really. Um, I value them because they're doing a fantastic job. They deserve better than what they're getting, better than minimum wage. I mean, they should. I mean, yeah, people must just adapt. Prices are going to go up, and people just have to adapt, because we need a competitive environment, a competitive civilization, and it's just how it is. And companies just have to make less. They have to make sacrifices in order to grow. That's the only way. Yeah, their business models should change. Like Uber, the way they exploiting their drivers. I mean, and the way they're exploiting their customers. They're absolutely ripping their customers off, but the drivers aren't getting any of that money. So yeah, it's very sad to see the world that we live in. I understand it's capitalism, but we need capitalism with common humanity. Capitalism with common humanity, guys. This is what we don't need. Um, yeah, because if we carry on the way we're carrying on, we're gonna face depopulation. We're not overpopulated. We're underpopulated, because when we blink, yeah, we'll see the truth right in front of us. We'll see what's really happening in the developing countries. It's terrible. It's terrible. I'm saddened. I know I come from a developing country. I know what's going on there, and yeah, I don't. I come from a pretty poor background. Was not wealthy, so okay, guys, thanks. I hope you like this kind of videos. And if you guys are newbies, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.